Welcome to 5 Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Garmin Instinct 3 versus Garmin Enduro 3. First, sizes. The Instinct 3 comes in three options: 40mm, 45mm, and 50mm, while the Enduro 3 is a massive 51mm. If you like a smaller or medium-sized watch, the Instinct 3 gives you choices. But if you want that big, rugged look, the Enduro 3 takes the win. When it comes to dimensions, the Instinct 3 measures 50 by 50 by 14.4 millimeters, while the Enduro 3 is slightly bulkier at 51 by 51 by 15.7 millimeters. Not a huge difference, but if you prefer a slimmer fit, the Instinct 3 is slightly thinner. Now colors. The Instinct 3 comes in Neotropic and black, while the Enduro 3 sticks to just black. So if you like a pop of color, the Instinct 3 gives you that option. Here's a big one: battery life. The Instinct 3 lasts 18 days, which is solid, but the Enduro 3 crushes it with a whopping 90 days. If battery life is a priority, Enduro 3 is a beast. Now weight. The Instinct 3 is 59 grams, while the Enduro 3 is slightly heavier at 63 grams. Not a huge difference, but something to consider if you want a lighter feel. No worries about compatibility though. Both work with Android and iOS, so no issues there. Both watches also come with a built-in flashlight, which is super handy in the dark. Moving to display, the Instinct 3 features a 1.3-inch AMOLED screen with a crisp 416 by 416 resolution, while the Enduro 3 has a 1.4-inch Power Sapphire display, but with a lower 280 by 280 resolution. So, if you want sharper visuals, the Instinct 3 is the way to go. Both watches are built tough with fiber-reinforced polymer and have a 10 ATM water resistance rating, meaning they can handle swimming and heavy rain. When it comes to storage, the Instinct 3 has 4 gigabytes, but the Enduro 3 blows it out of the water with 32 gigabytes. Great if you like storing maps, music, or apps. For connectivity, both have Bluetooth, ANT+, and USB, but the Enduro 3 adds Wi-Fi, which could be useful for syncing data without your phone. Now sensors. Both watches have GPS, Galileo, pulse ox, accelerometer, barometer, heart rate, gyroscope, and GLONASS. But the Instinct 3 also has a thermometer, while the Enduro 3 includes an ambient light sensor. Lastly, release dates. The Instinct 3 is launching on January 7, 2025, while the Enduro 3 came out earlier on August 27, 2024. Alright, now let's talk price, because that's a big factor. The Garmin Instinct 3 comes in at $449, while the Garmin Enduro 3 is nearly double at $942. That's a huge price jump. Let's talk about pros of both watches. Garmin Instinct 3, best pros: AMOLED display, crisp, vibrant visuals, affordable price, nearly half the cost of Enduro 3. Garmin Enduro 3, best pros: insane battery life, lasts up to 90 days. Massive storage, 32 gigabytes for maps, music, and more. Now let's see both watches' cons. Garmin Instinct 3 cons: shorter battery life, only 18 days versus Enduro 3's 90 days. Limited storage, just 4 gigabytes, which may not be enough for heavy users. Garmin Enduro 3, cons: high price, costs $942, more than double the Instinct 3. Lower display quality, Power Sapphire screen with 280 by 280 resolution versus Instinct 3's AMOLED 416 by 416. And the winner is Garmin Instinct 3. Why? It gives you more size options, a thinner design, and color choices to match your style. Plus, it's lighter, has a superior AMOLED display with better resolution, and is way more affordable at $449 compared to the $942 Enduro 3. Unless you absolutely need insane battery life and extra storage, the Instinct 3 is the smarter pick for most users. Which one would you choose? Let me know. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.